Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Secure Fix step by step clearly. To begin logging into QuickBooks, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the QuickBooks login website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a new page prompting you for your login details. Enter your QuickBooks email address associated with your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your entries for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the I forgot my password link to reset it. Follow the instructions provided in the password recovery process. After entering your email and password correctly, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your QuickBooks account. In case you encounter any error messages, review your login details again. If issues persist, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. You can also try using a different web browser or device. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Once logged in, you can access all your QuickBooks features securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.